Could a simple drink be the secret to perfect vision? Are you tired of blurry eyesight and constant eye strain? What if the key to protecting your eyes lie in your kitchen? From reducing the risk of cataracts to fighting age-related macular degeneration, what you drink can make a huge difference. But which drinks truly make the cut, and which ones are just myths? Can a daily glass of juice really sharpen your vision? Or are there hidden dangers in your favorite beverages? Stay tuned, because today, we're diving deep into the science behind 13 amazing drinks that protect your eyes and improve your vision. We'll reveal the top drinks backed by the latest research and show you how easy it is to incorporate them into your daily routine. Ready to see the world more clearly? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. 1. Blueberry Smoothie. Consuming a blueberry smoothie regularly can significantly enhance eye health and improve vision. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants such as vitamins A, C, and E, as well as flavonoids like anthocyanins. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, a major factor in the development of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. According to a 2016 study published in the Journal of Neuroimmunology, anthocyanins in blueberries have been shown to enhance retinal function and reduce the risk of AMD by improving blood flow to the eyes and protecting retinal cells from damage. To prepare a blueberry smoothie, blend 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries with half a banana, a cup of spinach, optional for added nutrients, a cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. This combination not only boosts eye health, but also provides a refreshing and nutritious drink. It is best to consume the smoothie in the morning as part of your breakfast or as an afternoon snack. Regular intake coupled with a balanced diet can lead to noticeable improvements in vision and overall eye health. 2. Pumpkin Smoothie. Boosting your eye health with a pumpkin smoothie is both delicious and effective. Pumpkins are rich in beta-carotene, a compound that converts to vitamin A in the body. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining healthy vision and preventing night blindness. Additionally, pumpkins contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect the eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. A 2020 study published in Antioxidants highlights the importance of beta-carotene in reducing oxidative stress in retinal cells. To prepare a nutritious pumpkin smoothie, blend 1 cup of cooked pumpkin puree with 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, a teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. This combination not only enhances the flavor, but also adds extra nutrients. Enjoy your pumpkin smoothie in the morning to absorb the nutrients throughout the day, supporting overall eye health. 3. Red bell pepper juice. Incorporating red bell pepper juice into your diet can significantly benefit eye health and enhance vision due to its rich content of essential nutrients. Red bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Additionally, red bell peppers contain beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining a healthy cornea and good night vision. A 2020 study published in Nutrients highlights the role of vitamin C in reducing the risk of cataracts. To prepare red bell pepper juice, wash and de-seed the peppers, then blend them with a small amount of water until smooth. Strain the mixture to remove any pulp. For added flavor and nutrition, you can mix it with carrot or tomato juice. It is best to consume this juice in the morning to start your day with a boost of antioxidants and vitamins, ensuring your eyes get the support they need throughout the day. 4. Acai Berry Smoothie. Adding an acai berry smoothie to your diet can significantly enhance eye health and vision due to its rich nutrient profile. Acai berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help reduce oxidative stress in the eyes. This reduction in oxidative stress can lower the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. A 2017 study published in Nutritional Neuroscience highlighted the potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of anthocyanins. To prepare an acai berry smoothie, blend 1 packet of unsweetened acai puree with a banana, a handful of spinach, half a cup of blueberries, and a cup of almond milk. This combination not only enhances the taste but also boosts the nutritional value. For optimal benefits, consume the Acai berry smoothie in the morning as part of your breakfast routine. 5. Blackberry Smoothie. A blackberry smoothie can significantly support eye health and improve vision due to its rich nutrient content. Blackberries are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, along with powerful antioxidants like anthocyanins. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining the retina and preventing night blindness, while vitamin C helps reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. A 2021 study published in Molecules highlighted the role of anthocyanins in reducing retinal inflammation and oxidative damage. To prepare a blackberry smoothie, blend 1 cup of fresh or frozen blackberries with half a cup of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of honey, and a splash of almond milk until smooth. This combination enhances the flavor and adds protein and additional vitamins. Enjoy the blackberry smoothie in the morning or as an afternoon snack. 6. Peach Smoothie. Enjoying a peach smoothie can play a crucial role in supporting eye health and improving vision due to its rich content of vitamins and antioxidants. Peaches are particularly high in vitamin A, an essential nutrient for maintaining healthy vision. In addition to vitamin A, peaches contain beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. A 2019 study published in Antioxidants highlighted that regular consumption of beta-carotene-rich foods is associated with a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. To prepare a peach smoothie, blend 1 to 2 ripe peaches, pitted and sliced, with 1 cup of almond milk or Greek yogurt, a handful of spinach, a teaspoon of chia seeds, and a bit of honey for sweetness if desired. Enjoy this smoothie in the morning as part of your breakfast or as a refreshing mid-afternoon snack. 7. Honeydew Melon Smoothie. Including a honeydew melon smoothie in your diet can significantly benefit eye health and vision. Honeydew melon is rich in vitamin C and lutein, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy eyes. A recent study published in Nutrients in 2022 highlights the importance of lutein and zeaxanthin in preventing AMD and improving overall eye health. To prepare a honeydew melon smoothie, combine 1 cup of diced honeydew melon, half a cup of spinach, half a banana, and 1 cup of almond milk in a blender. Blend until smooth and enjoy immediately. For optimal benefits, consume the smoothie in the morning. 8. Broccoli Juice. Recent research underscores the significance of a diet rich in leafy greens, particularly broccoli, for eye health. A study published in Antibiotics in 2023 highlights broccoli's role in promoting vision. Broccoli is abundant in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids concentrated in the retina, which are crucial for protecting eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress. To prepare broccoli juice, blend a handful of fresh broccoli florets with a cup of water. For added flavor, consider adding a squeeze of lemon juice or a slice of apple. It's best to consume this juice in the morning, allowing your body to absorb the nutrients effectively throughout the day. 9. Kale Smoothie. Packed with essential nutrients, a kale smoothie can play a significant role in supporting eye health and enhancing vision. Kale is abundant in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants crucial for maintaining healthy eyes. Research published in 2023 in Curios highlights that a diet rich in lutein and zeaxanthin can significantly reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. To prepare a kale smoothie, blend a handful of fresh kale leaves, a banana, half an apple, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a cup of almond milk. For optimal benefits, consume this smoothie in the morning. 10. Aloe Vera Juice. Aloe vera juice offers notable benefits for eye health and vision improvement due to its rich composition of vitamins and antioxidants. Specifically, it contains vitamins A, C, and E, which are crucial for maintaining healthy vision. A study published in Pharmaceutical Biology in 2012 highlights aloe vera's role in eye health. To prepare aloe vera juice, cut a fresh aloe vera leaf and extract the clear gel inside. Blend the gel with water or juice of your choice. For added flavor, consider mixing in a bit of honey or lemon. Consume aloe vera juice on an empty stomach in the morning to maximize absorption. 11. Tomato juice. Drinking tomato juice can significantly benefit eye health due to its rich content of essential nutrients and antioxidants. Lycopene, the compound that gives tomatoes their red color, has been shown to protect the eyes from oxidative stress. A recent study published in Food and Function in 2023 highlighted the protective effects of lycopene against light-induced damage to the retina. To prepare tomato juice, wash and core fresh tomatoes, then blend until smooth. Strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve. For added flavor, add a pinch of salt and pepper or a splash of lemon juice. It's best to drink tomato juice in the morning or as a mid-morning snack. 12. Kiwi juice. Rich in essential nutrients, kiwi juice offers substantial benefits for eye health and vision improvement. This vibrant green juice is a powerhouse of vitamin C, which is crucial for maintaining healthy eyes. A 2019 study published in Antioxidants highlighted that regular consumption of foods high in lutein and zeaxanthin can significantly reduce the risk of chronic eye diseases. To prepare kiwi juice, simply peel and blend a few ripe kiwis until smooth. For added flavor and nutrients, mix in other fruits such as apples or a splash of orange juice. For optimal benefits, enjoy kiwi juice in the morning as part of your breakfast routine. 13. Grapefruit juice. Regular intake of grapefruit juice can significantly support eye health and enhance vision due to its rich nutrient profile. The juice is loaded with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. A 2023 study published in Curios highlighted the role of these compounds in reducing oxidative damage to retinal cells. To prepare grapefruit juice, wash and cut fresh grapefruits in half, then use a juicer or citrus press to extract the juice. For added sweetness and nutritional benefits, consider blending in a few strawberries or a splash of honey. It's best to consume this juice in the morning. And that's it for today's video on drinks that protect your eyes and improve vision. We hope you found these insights helpful and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Are you already taking any of these drinks? If yes, have you noticed any difference in your health? We'd love to hear your experience, so please share it in the comments below. If this video was helpful, then kindly type yes in the comment box. Your support motivates us to produce more content like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.